there was a contract to assassinate the deceased.
Senzo Meyiwa was more than just a goalkeeper. He was the heartbeat of South African football. A national soccer star who wore the jersey number 1 with pride, leading both Orlando Pirates and Bafana with unmatched passion. But on the night of the 26th of October 2014, all that came crashing down. The heartbeat stopped. Meyiwa was gunned down in what police initially called a botched robbery at the home of his then-girlfriend singer Kelly Khumalo in Vosloorus. The case quickly spiraled into one of South Africa's most controversial murder trials, marked by delays, conspiracy claims, courtroom drama, and a justice system caught in the crossfire. And 11 years later, the question still remains: who killed Senzo Meyiwa?
Sikholelwa ekutheni akekho umuntu owangena lapha endlini, because kunama statements abantu abashoyo ukuthi babemi kulama positions nalama positions basizwe isibhamu sikhala baqhubeka bama kulawo ma positions ayibavumela ukuthi babone umuntu ophumayo nongenayo kakhulu.
Years have gone by without any satisfactory answers. That it was until 2020 when 5 men were arrested and charged with murder, attempted murder, robbery, and illegal possession of firearm. All 5 have pleaded not guilty. That was the start of what would be a courtroom filled with drama and confusion.
Before court. There's nothing untoward.
It was one twist after the other. The defense claimed the accused were tortured into making confessions. The crime scene was allegedly cleaned up before police could reinvestigate. Fingerprints on the gun did not match any of the accused. The murder weapon was only linked to the accused years later by ballistic reports some say is highly suspicious.
Enye into futhi edala sikholwe ukuthi kwafika umama uPhiri wazoklina icrime scene, waklina igazi. Awazi ukuthi ungaklina igazi la kushonele khona umuntu ngoba kusazofika amaphoyisa enza investigation. Okuwukuthi njengoba usayitsheni Mosiya kade bemenza examination lapha ecourt. Ushilo wathi wathi mefika lapha ezoshutha akalibonanga igazi la kwakuthiwa uSenzo wawela khona. Okuwukuthi kwasekusuliwe.
And then came the shocker. Advocate Malisela Tefo, representing 4 of the accused, told the court that Kelly should be charged with the murder of Meyiwa, claiming she pulled the trigger. Weeks later, Tefo was dramatically removed from the case, calling it a political conspiracy.
I think the lowest point for me is being let down by the law. As a South African citizen, I trust and believe in the law to protect not just me, but my family and also our society. But with what has happened to me, I've had my life threatened. I have my family threatened, not once but multiple times. And I feel like the law is not coming into place to protect and make me feel that, you know what, it is within my right to have protection, not only for myself. I would leave that question to my attorney because I simply feel that there's a lot of legalities that are in place.
Just when the trial seemed to gain momentum, it stalled again. The death of defense lawyer Thulani Ngomezulu meant a new legal representative would be appointed for accused number 1. This has done nothing to ease Judge Ratha Mogotleng's frustration, but he urged that the trial must go on. South Africans have an uneasy relationship with the justice system, testing at often times. Kelly Khumalo has maintained her silence through lawyers, despite being implicated as the mastermind. And Senzo Meyiwa's family, they still want justice.
I've been great, protected by the powers beyond me, and I'm in good space And I'm happy that finally we are at the point where the law wants to take a step where this matter is concerned. So I'm excited about that all the time, without a shadow of doubt. And not just missing him, and I think that he could have been an amazing father to our daughter.
It's a cycle of delays, stops, and starts. And now in 2025, it's still continuing. The trial faces postponements and delays. 5 men still sit accused, but the answers remain locked behind doubt, politics, and a broken system. Zandile Khumalo, Johannesburg.